Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Taya, and today we're just going to be making a quick video on prepping your fruits for your fruit cake, your black cake, your Christmas cake, whatever you want to call it. If you're interested in this video, grab your pots, grab your pans, and let's get right into the video. Alright loves, to go ahead and begin, we're going to start by just adding all our fruits to our bowl. You can use whatever fruits you like. I like going with the fruit mix. I got this at my local Walmart here. I was so happy when I found those. I found these like so early, like I think in like late September, early October, and I've been keeping it because I've never seen them until this year. I don't know if Walmart usually has them, but I never saw them till this year. If you don't find these at your local Walmart, you can check any Caribbean store or local like ethnic food store. You should be able to find those. And then you want to go ahead and add cherries. You want to add prunes if you have some. I didn't add prunes here because I ran out of prunes, but later in the video I had to go out and get a new blender. You'll see that later on. So I did get prunes and I added prunes as I was blending them. But you can use whatever fruits you have and just mix. You can add more or less to your fruits. You don't have to use the white raisins and the black like I did. I had both, so I used both. And as far as alcohol goes, I use a spiced rum. I used the white overproof rum. I think it was 80% proof. And I also used the cherry liqueur here, as you can see. You can use any light rum or dark rum that you like, honestly, and just any cherry wine. You don't have to use the exact one that I use, but you can use any cherry wine or any fruit wine. It's up to you. I know people like using the Ray and Nephew, that's the traditional Caribbean rum that we use, and the red label, but I couldn't find that in my area, so this was what worked for me. So basically you just want to blend those till you get a nice smooth consistency. You want to make this at least 3 days or a week prior to baking the cake. It's just better that way and allows the alcohol to really soak up and infuse and get become one, form that holy matrimony that we like talking about. Once you're done blending and you've got like a really nice smooth consistency, you want to go ahead and place the mixture into an airtight container and set it on your countertop or in a cupboard, wherever you want to set it aside. And yeah, you can leave this on your countertop for up to a year, and that's it. Look out for the black cake video, rum cake, fruit cake, whatever you want to call it. The bake video should be coming out soon. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you don't miss any new content. Thank you so much to all my new subscribers, and also all of you that have been riding with me. I really appreciate you guys so much. Also, like this video, share the video so other wonderful people can bake this deliciousness for the Christmas season. Have a great Thanksgiving, guys.